Yo. Yo. Oh. That. No one watches my videos, so I'm just gonna make this video because I'm bored. So here is a very OP method to grind. Uh, I'll show you how it works first. You've probably seen a lot of things like this. Oh, I should probably turn on shield. Actually, there's no dangerous things. Could kill me. So yeah. Oh, that was a. Ah! That could have went way better, better, but I failed. So it went way worse. So if you're going to make that, and yes, I know there are other much better ways to grind, but if you're going to make this, you will need obviously or this part, the shield is optional. You don't need it. So these are the only things you need. A few a few blocks, a hinge, a magnet, dang it, a pilot seat, and a rod, or as many people call it, a pole. So if you want to make it, you will need to get or place down the rod. Oh my god. Dang it! Oh my god. Suck. So you want to start by placing your rod, then any material of choice, preferably wood, and then you're gonna put two at the front, then get a hinge, place it this way, get more of your chosen block, get a magnet, place it like this, and then put your pilot seat anywhere you want, but I like placing it here, because yeah, just looks good. And that's literally it. You have made a monstrous money grinding machine. Yes, that's how you make money. You have big monies. Alright, thank you. Goodbye.